Number 24. In triangle XYZ, angle Z is a right angle. Okay, so I immediately go, all right, got a right angle, Z is the right angle, XYZ. I know I haven't drawn it to scale, but I just want a visual reference, something I can start writing on. The length of YZ is 24 units, okay? If the tangent of X equals 12 over 35, what is the perimeter in units of triangle XYZ? They want you to know for this problem what tangent means. They want you to understand proportions in similar triangles. And they want you to know how to do the Pythagorean theorem and then what perimeter is. Those are the concepts for this problem. So first, tangent. The tangent of an angle, in this case angle X, the tangent is equal to the length of the opposite side over the length of the adjacent side. And when we talk about the opposite side, it's the side the angle is looking at. Like if you are overhead view, sitting at a table, and I am sitting here, I am sitting opposite someone over here. That's who I am looking at. The person here is who I am. My stylus is going wonky. That is a very unusual person indeed. This is the person I am adjacent to. I could bump elbows with them. So for that, the side that's adjacent to the X, the one that's bumping elbows with it, is this leg. And the opposite is that leg. Opposite and adjacent is always one of these two. It is never the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse being the longest side. It's always the two legs, the two shorter sides. So they're telling us the tangent is 12 over 35. Now, a lot of times on SATs, when they give us these tangents, sines, cosines, they're using the actual lengths of these sides. Here they're not, because they're saying it's 12 opposite over 35 adjacent. But we know the opposite side is not 12. It's 24. But we can go, hey, 12 times 2 gets me to 24. It's a ratio, so that proportion, if it was like a similar triangle, it's going to be the same. So 35 times 2 must be the length of this side, 70. Now we have the sides of a right triangle. We have two of the sides. We can use this with our a squared plus b squared equals c squared, Pythagorean theorem. So our two legs are 24 squared plus 70 squared equals c squared. When we add those two together, we're going to get here 576 plus 4,900. I wrote that really weird. To get 5,476 for our c squared. Then we can take the square root of that to solve for c, and we find that c is 74. Okay, now we have our three sides of this clearly not drawn to scale triangle. Perimeter is just adding the lengths of those sides together. So if I add these three sides together, 70 plus 74 is 144. 144 plus 24 is 168. And that is my perimeter of these, and that is B. That's my answer. So a lot of, different concepts. We've got the tangent, we've got similar triangles, those ratios, Pythagorean theorem, and perimeter all in one, but that's our answer, B, 168. Hey guys, the full insanely comprehensive SAT math prep course I've been promising for so long is live right now at mathwithalyssa.com. And of course, you can also still get the free 10 video course on SAT tips and tricks at mathwithalyssa.com as well. You also can now book one-on-one tutoring sessions with me. Links to how you can do that are in the description and the pinned comment below. And as always, if the video you just watched was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.